Pushbutton Controlled LED.
Parts required: Arduino board, breadboard, jumper wires, LED, momentary tactile push button, 10K ohm resistor, and 220 ohm resistor.
How it works: when press a push button, completes a circuit, turning it on. As soon as the button is released, the connection will spring break and break the circuit, turning it off. Build for push button controlled LED. First, place your push button in a breadboard as shown in figure. Second, connect pin A to one leg of a 10 ohm resistor and connect that same resistor to leg Arduino pin 2. Connect the other resistor leg to the ground rail and connect the ground rail to Arduino ground. Connect pin B on the switch to the 5V rail and connect this rail to 5V on the Arduino. Then lastly, add the LED to your breadboard, connecting to longer positive leg to Arduino pin 13 via a 220 ohm resistor and the shorter leg to the ground.